Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to check your comments on YouTube. So I'll be showing you how to do this today on a PC or laptop. And if you do find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, first thing we're going to do is open up a new browser. We just want to come across to youtube.com and make sure we're signed into our account. And once we've done that, we just want to go and click onto our profile icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner. And then just come down to where it says YouTube Studio. So once you've loaded up your YouTube Studio, to view your comments, what you're going to want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side. And then if you scroll down slightly, you'll see an option there called comments. All you want to do is go ahead and give that a click. And this is going to bring up where you can check your comments, all your comments on here. So what you can do, you can actually filter these as well. So for example, I've got this set to I haven't responded. And this is going to bring up all the comments that I've not currently responded to. You can also see ones held for review. So if you've got anything set to filter certain words or comments, then that's going to be in that one. And what you can do is just click this as well to remove it. And it gives you some example sort of filters you can put in as well. So this is what you can put to if you're looking for specific comments in general. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.